Yesterday we saw how to install coding C app. Then we saw how to write a code in coding C app. Then how to run the coding C app. Now today I will demonstrate how to save your file on to your phone in internal memory or at external memory, wherever you want to save it. So for that we need to press menu. There are so many options in menu. First is format, second one is open, third one is save, fourth one is reset, then setting, and last about. So we have to select save. If you are trying to save your program for the very first time, at that time it will ask you to allow the features. You need to select allow. After that, once again you have to go for menu, save, and then you can write a code you can write a name of your file like first dot c. Be careful, whenever you type a dot, our Android operating system will put a default space in between dot and C. So what you have to do, you have to go again and then you have to give C. Do not make any space in between dot and C. Once again, do not give any kind of a space in between dot and C. So our file name is first.c. C is our extension of this file. Then you have to press OK. You will get a message, file saved successfully. After that, you can reset to your new program. Once again, whenever you press a reset, it will give you a warning message that all code will be reset. Are you sure to do that? Yes. Why? Because we need to type another program. That's why we have to say OK. See, the changes we made in first program will be reset. For this, we can give another name, second dot C. So this is how we can save our program on to our phone. Thank you. You can do it at your own. Go ahead and make some program, have some fun.